Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the rear shock absorbers on Opel Zafira. The shock absorbers are pretty easy to replace. They're held by two bolts, one on the bottom and one on the top. First, the wheel needs to be removed. We'll get a jack stand to put underneath the control arm so that when we release the shock absorber, the control arm doesn't go down. Next, we start removing the two bolts that hold the shock absorber. And that's it. Now we can take out the shock absorber and put on the new shock absorber. Make sure you press the new shock absorber all the way to the end a couple of times to get it working properly, and then install it. If the video is useful, consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos and maybe give the video a thumbs up. Now we'll tighten the two bolts on the shock absorber, and that's it.